Did you know that baby stars have a peculiar way of developing? Researchers at Kyushu University discovered that baby stars actually sneeze during their infancy. Using the ALMA telescope, they observed plumes of dust, gas, and electromagnetic energy being discharged from the protostellar disk. These sneezes release magnetic flux within the disk, which is crucial for star formation. Observations of MC27, a stellar nursery 450 light-years away, revealed unexpected spike-like structures extending from the protostellar disk. These spikes are caused by interchange instability, where instabilities in the magnetic field interact with the different densities of gases in the disk.